Starting with the popular vote plants. This month's featured genus was Dickias, and this fuzzy puya. I haven't seen a puya in person before. As I'm always saying, Dickias are one of my favorites. I've never had any trouble growing them. Even one that died down to 3 small leaves has now come back to be one of my best, with zero help from me. The spines on this one were very pink. It was my plant of the day. Neos are always nice. There weren't many display plants this month. Most of my Broms are planted in the ground or community pots. So it's not so easy for me to bring them to the show. Nidularium and Synchuria are interesting, but take up too much space for me to buy one. I brought this. I think it's a Schlumbergera. And I also brought these Astrophytum Capricorn seedlings. I was surprised to see them flowering despite all the rain. Hopefully I can pollinate them with each other. This one's not mine, but I haven't seen that range of color in one flower before. A Dioscorea elephantypes. I think there were some of these at a spring sale a few years ago. I wonder if this is one of those. This Clivia won plant of the day. This was labeled as some kind of Eucomis lily. And this begonia is very shiny and metallic. Having a look at the sales table. Quite a begonia theme today. Had a begonia guest speaker too. Half of these plants are gone before the meeting even began. I've had zero success with begonias, except the one that appeared in the gravel beneath our clothesline and spread seeds everywhere. It was too alarming, so all the seedlings got weeded. Anyway, I must resist buying more. The sales table was quickly decimated. Someone brought some free Crassula ovata cuttings. For once I didn't take any. Not many other plants left. Very interesting raffle table today. This purple passion plant really captivated me. That's a new one for my houseplant wish list. Lots of uncommon, perhaps tuberous, baby begonias. And a good variety of other plants. I'd be happy to take any of these home. I like the Broms with spines. Spotty bilbergias too. I might already have this one, perhaps Echeveria crinoline. And the oak leaf calico, definitely already in my garden. The Stickia came home with me. Thanks for watching.